Hey everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Texas Girl DIYs. In today's video, I have got a small Dollar Tree haul for you that I want to share, but I'm also going to announce the winner from last week's back to school giveaway. And the winner is Rhonda Horak. Congratulations, Rhonda, you have won our back to school giveaway, and I'm going to contact you through the comments in last week's video with my email address so that you can email me and then we can handle out all the details on how I'm going to get you your box. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and jump into our Dollar Tree haul. I will try to keep this as short and sweet as possible. We are going to go ahead and start with all the fall decorations that are coming out at Dollar Tree, and we're going to go ahead and start with the signs. Oh my goodness, check out these upside down signs. Dollar Tree put out these really gorgeous signs. This one I love. It's got the sunflowers on it and it says give thanks. This one has got harvest blessings on it, and then if you can see, this is actually this kind of looks like it's galvanized here, and it is separate from the rest of the sign, same as the other one. These are absolutely beautiful. My next two favorite are these two signs right here. Oh my goodness, this one has got the pumpkins on it, and this is a metal leaf on here, and it just says farm fresh, hand-picked pumpkins daily. You got this one, and then this one. These are the only two that I've seen. Farm fresh, it's got the apples with the sunflowers, locally grown produce. The next fall item that I had picked up were these metal words. These ones here says thankful, harvest, and welcome. So there's 3 of them in here. The other thing I had grabbed were these little Scarecrow Picks. These are really great for putting into your planters, things like that. I got a really cute DIY that I want to do with this one. So this is actually a really, I don't know if you could tell in the camera, but this is a really dark blue and an orange hat. They also had another set that was like orange and yellow or green. Yeah, I can't remember. But anyway, so there was two different colored hats, and but I grabbed this one. These little pumpkin picks, super cute. Also really fun to put into your planters and things like that. You know, just a quick, easy fall decoration. These ones are a little bit different. They come 3 in a pack, but they've also got like these, what do you call them? Like the alligator clips. So that way you can just kind of clip it onto something, maybe like a wreath or something. That's my husband's phone going off, so excuse that. And these ones have got like the little picks, but definitely grab them. I think they have them in different sizes. These are like the larger ones, medium, and then they have even smaller ones in bags too. Next thing I grabbed was this cute little wooden truck. You can paint. Probably not going to use these paints, but the truck is really cute. These Styrofoam Pumpkins were absolutely adorable. They actually come like this. This one's a white one with these little flowers and these little, I don't know what the heck you call these things. But then we got this orange one with the sunflower, and then this darker orange one with this flower. These are the 3 that I'd seen. Very cute. In their floral section, I had grabbed these picks. So they already have cotton stems over at Dollar Tree, but now they have these cotton stems with the pine cones and the cattails. These were actually really cool. I'd only grabbed 2 of these. Maybe I'll go back and grab more if they're even still there, but these I thought were a fun find. These ones are pretty awesome. Well, these are like just different picks, but this has got like some kind of whatever fruit that is, and then that one's got the flower, and then oh, my hair's sticking to it. But these ones are really cute. I'm going to be using this in a fall decoration here very soon. It's got like the little pumpkins. Super cute. But then also in the floral section, they had a bunch of these different flowers. This one has got like this like fabric kind of burlappy part of the flower on the outside. The different sunflowers, the darker orange, the brighter orange, and then these ones I believe are Delilahs. These ones are called Delilahs, and these are just the sunflowers. So really pretty find. All right, so Dollar Tree is actually coming out with some really great ribbons, and I kind of got a little ribbon obsessed. Okay, let's start with the 2 smaller ones that I had grabbed. So yes, Dollar Tree is coming back with the red trucks. Okay, red trucks on the smaller ribbon, and the pumpkins. Had to grab that. Then red trucks again. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Can you see that? The red trucks and then the pumpkins. Oh my gosh, you find this, you grab it because it's gonna go quick, I promise you. The other ribbons that I had grabbed here were this buffalo check one. It's like a darker red. Then I just grabbed some green burlap, and this is a, what do you want to call this? I don't know. It's just a fall color. It's not quite orange or red, like a reddish orange, but I thought this would look great. All four of these would probably look great grouped together, like on a fall wreath or something like that. That would be pretty awesome. Okay, so now jumping into the Halloween stuff, because yes, Dollar Tree is putting out their Halloween stuff. And starting off with these wood pieces, just wood decor. So they've got the sugar skull, which is pretty awesome because it's got a rose right here. Love this. They've got another one that says Happy Halloween. And this one that also says Wicked. And they have like a bunch of other ones. They have cats, they have ghosts, they have pumpkins, owls, a whole bunch of them. But these were the favorites that I wanted to grab so that I can DIY them. The other thing I grabbed was these stencils. They come in this one, Home Sweet Haunted Home. So adorable. And then on the flip side, they've got, you know, like the haunted house, the graves, graveyard, things like that. The other one says Happy Halloween with the pumpkins, the moon, the bats, and the reverse side says Trick or Treat. Super cute. Had to grab those. And of course, because I plan on making a Halloween wreath, had to grab the mesh. So I grabbed 2 of the orange. I did grab 2 of the purple, and I grabbed 2 of the black. I will probably have to go get more depending on how I do my wreath. But again, with the ribbon, lots of great ribbon choices over at Dollar Tree. This one I had grabbed, they had like the witches hats on them with the spider webs. Super cute. And then this one is with the bats. Very cute. Again, I might be going back for more because they have lots of different patterns to choose from and solid colors, glitter, no glitter. So for Easter, remember when they came out with the little ceramic bunnies and the little baby chicks and stuff? Well, they're doing it again, only for the Halloween theme. This is the Frankenstein one. And then this one is, okay, that's in the way, so you can't really tell, but it is like a pumpkin head, like kind of scarecrow kind of thing. Super cute. I only just grabbed these 2, but they also have a witch and they also have the Dracula. I've got kind of an idea of what I might do with these, but these might also go quick. Great Halloween decor that they've got. And you know what? They're just going to keep putting more out, and I'm very excited for all the fall and Halloween decorations. But that is it. Like I said, very short Dollar Tree haul for you, but there is more to come. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope that you consider subscribing and ring the little bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, be sure to head on over to Wendy's channel for her giveaway winner over at Seapanda Crafts. I'm going to link her channel down in the description box below. Also, thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. It was so much fun, and I also look forward to doing more in the future. Thank you again for watching, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye. Also, don't forget to go over to Seapanda Crafts for Wendy's video so that she can announce her winner, giveaway winner. For her giveaway winner. To go over to Seapanda's Lord. Also, be sure to head on over to Wendy's channel and listen. Also, be sure to head on over to Wendy's channel and what was I going to say? And I hope that you consider subscribing and ring that little bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Oh my goodness. Try that again.